What is the core idea of league sailing? It's simple. We are already familiar with it. Take a look at football, ice hockey, or baseball. It's club against club. On the water. Up to 36 clubs per country, divided into first and second division, fighting out the best national sailing club. The requirements are the same for each club, racing in a fleet of 6 one-design boats provided by the organizing authority. Only skills, tactic, and team performance make the difference. Racing 2 rounds on an up and down course. Racing 15 minutes per race. Up to 7 events per year. Up to 3 days per event. And up to 48 races per event. 16 races for each club. Professional live broadcasting by Sailtracks. Up to 4 hours of live stream per day. Highlight videos and interviews. Up to 300 million media output. And increasing followers on social media. Each year. Big ideas travel. League sailing was invented in Germany in 2013. Today, 6 years later, 20 national sailing leagues are established all over Europe. The format of league sailing attracts more than 3,000 sailors. On top, the Sailing Champions League in Porto-Cervo, St. Petersburg, and St. Moritz. Europe's best sailing clubs fighting for the title Best Sailing Club of the Year. Sounds familiar? We know. League sailing is growing. It's developing and attracting more partners to join the Sailing League format. Join us. Follow us.